BCC School was established in 2011. This is the only registered daycare center and the registered private primary school of the locality. And also we have got pre-primary sections and madrasa. As well as we offer after school services. Okay. We have got students from different communities. We take students as from 2 years till 11, 12 years. Also we have got staff members from different background. Okay, the school has been doing an excellent job. Our staff members, they are qualified students. They do not come only from the locality, they come from different places of the island. And last year, that is the year 2019, was the first year when the kids of BCC, they went for a PISAC examination for the first time. We got 100% success, and all our students, they have passed with excellent results. They have been attending the star colleges and very good schools for their grade 7 and onwards. Also our students, as you know that our school is an activity based school. We do not pay attention only to the academic learning. Okay, we have got a lot of activities. We make the kids learn through different corners. We have got monthly educational outings. We do not take many students in a class. We take maximum, on an average, about 15 kids in the primary section. That is, for every 15 kids we have got one teacher, and in the pre-primary and daycare, even lower the ratio between students and the teacher. So that is how the teachers can work with the kids in a proper way. They can answer the individual questions, they can tackle the problems of the students.
I like this school very much because every Friday we have weekly tests, and in weekly tests I learn my errors also, and we also our teacher makes us copy the errors so that next time we don't have the same errors. Our school is very clean also, and students are very well mannered as well.